Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at Rajkot Machine Tool Show and I'm here at Tsugami India stall. And I'm here with Mr. Sanjay, who is the General Manager of Tsugami India. And he is going to tell us about their sales network in Western Zone and specifically Gujarat region. Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you. Uh, Gujarat is an important market for us. I'm taking care of the entire west part of the country. We have a tech center at Ahmedabad to cater to all Gujarat customers. In Gujarat, yes, Rajkot has been our focus area. Lately, this area is coming up very fast, and our population is also growing in this area. In all West Zone, we are selling around 250 machines.
Wow.
That's a major contribution to our national
Yes.
sales. Yeah. And we have two tech centers. We have resident engineers at Rajkot, Jamnagar. In Maharashtra, we have at Kolhapur, Mumbai, Nasik. Like that, we have spread all our engineers much closer to the customers.
That's very nice. So
Yeah.
I understand that India is a very multilingual
Yeah.
country, and so you need local support who can speak the language
Yeah.
of local customer and understand their requirement properly.
Yes. Yes.
Plus, also you need very highly skilled people
Yeah.
who can service these kind of machine and give after sales support.
Yeah.
So that's why I think sales and after sales support is very important
Yeah.
for any company to be very successful. So it's good to know that you have such a wide network. So I mean, how fast you can support your customer if any complaint is there? How fast your team is responding?
Yes, we do understand that in machine tool industry, after sales support is very important. Keeping that in mind, yes, before that, our machines are highly reliable. They fail very less often. But having said that, we still need a service network. We have taken care of that. We have trained manpower at various places, as I told, in Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Jamnagar. Then we have a team separate for application support also.
Oh wow!
Same in Maharashtra as well as in Gujarat. So like that, we are able to take care. Regarding spare parts, we have at factory Chennai. From there, we can ship any urgent spares within 48 hours
Wow!
in case of emergency. And in worst case of any major breakdowns, our persons from Chennai or nearby Pune, they can fly in anytime.
Awesome.
Like that, we are supporting customers.
That's great. So specifically talking about Rajkot market, what do you think? What is the future trends? What kind of new applications are coming in this area?
Uh, Gujarat as such, that too, if you see Rajkot, medical industry is very strong. Apart from automobile bearing industry, we are focusing on medical, trying to capture the market because of our product sliding it. Then lately, high-end machines like turn mill with Y-axis, that also is getting acceptance. There we have a distinct edge. We are giving value for money product. And being a Japanese brand, we have our own advantage. So like that, we are able to penetrate very much in this market.
Amazing.
Though there are many local players, local manufacturers in Rajkot,
Yes.
still we are able to make our dent.
No, definitely. I
Yeah.
think there is a lot of competition as well, but I think your company is a great after sales support. Plus,
Yeah.
machines are actually really high
Highly
quality
reliable.
machines, highly reliable machines. That's why your machines are so popular.
Yeah.
So I totally understand now. There is a trend coming that we have to become an export oriented market, right?
Yeah.
We have to export out of India, and that's how we will become 5 trillion economy,
Yeah.
right? And I think a lot of exports is happening in medical implants
Yeah.
from Gujarat region and overall Western region
Yes.
also.
Yes.
So I think it's going to grow only from here.
Yes. Yes.
So what do you think? How do you see the future in 5 to 10 years? What do you expect from this market?
Yes, in Gujarat, the medical industry is growing very fast. Many people have a lot of expansion plans. Even in this session, just 2 days back, many customers came to us. They explained their expansion plans.
Okay,
So I'm seeing a good prospect in medical industry.
very nice.
Same way in export part, there are many players doing components for electric vehicle and all. That also I'm seeing good
A new
potential.
trend.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And we'll be able to catch up with it.
Great, great,
Yeah.
great. And I think electronics industry is also coming.
Yeah.
Right. So a lot of electronic manufacturers are coming here. So
That is coming, but it is still early for us to get the business as such.
okay,
But we are keep hearing that
Great,
Foxconn is going to invest. some electrical connectors industry is going to invest in India.
Right.
Maybe some of our vendors must be supplying, but we haven't heard of it directly.
Great, sir. Thank you. Thank you for talking to us and sharing your
Thank
views. And I wish you all the best. And I think this show is already going very, very successful for you. A lot
Yeah.
of customers are coming. So I'll not take much of your time.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for your time, sir.
Thank
Thanks a
you.
lot.